Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up the Omega Tunnel app on your Android device. This will help you create a secure connection and protect your privacy online. 1. Install the app first. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Omega Tunnel and carefully confirm that the app name and icon match the official app to avoid installing a fake. Tap Install to download and install the application. 2. Open Omega Tunnel once installed. Find the Omega Tunnel icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open the application. 3. Update configuration to ensure you have the latest settings. Tap the three-line menu, often called a hamburger menu, usually located in a corner of the screen. Then, select Update Config and wait for the update to complete. This process may take a few moments. 4. Select Server after the configuration is updated. Tap the Server option. For most users, selecting Auto Server is the best choice as it automatically connects you to the fastest available server. 5. Choose Connection Method next. Tap Connection Method. From the list, choose the network you are currently using, such as MTN or any other available option. 6. Add Connection Time optional. If you wish to extend your connection time, tap Add Time and follow the prompts within the app. This may involve watching a short advertisement. 7. Connect finally. Tap the Connect button to initiate the secure connection. You may be prompted to grant VPN permission. If so, allow it to proceed. That's all there is to it. You are now connected using the Omega Tunnel app. Enjoy your secure connection.